Be honest, you deployed a FastAPI app to production and then something broke. You had zero idea where the request failed, how long it took, or where it even came from. That's not bad luck, that's missing observability. These are 3 middleware patterns. 2 minutes, let's make your API actually debuggable in production. Trick 1. Request IDs. Here's what happens in distributed systems. A request hits your API, goes to a database, maybe calls another service, then fails somewhere in the middle. If you're not tagging every single request with a unique ID from the moment it enters your system, good luck tracing what happens in your logs. This is a 5-line fix. Every request gets a UUID attached at the middleware layer before it even touches your route handler. And that same ID gets stamped onto the response headers. Now when your user says, "It's broke at 3 p.m., you pull up the logs, filter by that request ID, and you see the entire journey of that one request, no guessing anymore. Trick number 2, timing every single request. You're not going to find slow endpoints by waiting for users to complain. 2 lines of code wrap every request in a timer. The response goes out with an X processor time header, milliseconds to decimal places. Now, your monitoring tool, your load balancer, your APM, they can all read that header and you get a real picture of where your bottlenecks are. Which database query is thanking you at 800 milliseconds? Which endpoint degrades under load? You won't know without this, and you want to know before production teaches you the hard way. Trick number 3, stop using Wildcard CORS. I know why you did it. You were setting up the project, the front end was blocked, you googled it, someone said put asterisk and it worked. Done, shipped. But that asterisk means any origin can make credentialed request to your API. Any website can make requests to your API, including ones you did not build. That's a lazy security hole in production, and you are better than that. It's literally 1-line change. You replace the asterisk with your actual domain. If you have multiple environments, local, staging, prod, put all 3 in a list, you're done. Your API only accepts requests from your origins that you trust. This takes 30 seconds and it makes your API meaningfully more secure. Request IDs give you traceability. Timing middleware gives you performance visibility. Locked calls gives you security posture. None of these are advanced patterns. These are table stakes for any API that's going to run in production and actually survive. If your FastAPI app doesn't have all 3 of these, go add them right now, literally before your next commit. Drop a comment if you want the full production ready middleware stack. Timing, auth checking, rate limiting, the whole thing. I'm going to do a follow-up.